Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to import your pictures and videos in CapCut Desktop. First, click on Create Project, and in the Import section, click on the Import, and choose your image. After that, click on the Import again, and choose your video. Next, here is the filter of the Import section. You can choose between a video, audio, or image. Now, if I'm going to click only the video, as you can see, it only shows the videos. Now, if I'm going to select also the image, it only shows the image. Now, to add your files to the editing tab, just click on the plus button for the image and also the plus button for the video. And that's how you import pictures and videos in CapCut Desktop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.